Hello.
Hi, my
Hi.
name is Sam. How can I help you today?
Yeah. So tell me something about yourself first.
Sure, no problem. So I am from South Africa. I have a passion for education. Have had it since I was a kid. That's why I'm using the platform Cambly to gain my experience. What about you? Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Vijay Yadav, and I am here for just practicing my English because I think I am not very fluent in speaking. So that's it.
Okay, perfect. So how do you like to be helped? Like, do you want to learn through grammar, conversation, or like what is your preference?
Yeah. So I would like to conversation.
Conversation? Okay, that's not a problem. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk us through at this beautiful page. I'm going to share it with you now. It's got conversational topics, and then what we can do is we can pick a topic from there and then have a discussion. I'll share my screen so you don't have to worry. And then you can pick a topic and we can just have conversation from there. Is that okay?
Yeah, but I think it's not opening.
Okay, wait, you don't need to, can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, perfect. So tell me which one you would like to do today.
Yeah. Let me see.
No problem.
Yeah. So I would like to the art of conversation.
The
Art of conversation.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That's not a problem. So can you see on the screen? There's so many questions. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go back and forth asking questions and just having conversation. Are you okay with that?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So whenever you are ready, you're more than welcome to pick a question, or if you want, I will pick a question. It's up to you.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you a good painter?
Not right now, but I was a good painter when I was in school. That time I used to make a lot of painting, and my teacher would like a lot. My friends as well. But right now I am not doing so. I am perfect on painting.
Perfect. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. That was very good. Okay. But
Yeah.
one day you might paint again. That's very good. Can you draw pictures well?
Yeah, I can.
Can. Okay. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Would you like to ask a question?
Not, but I wanna ask that today's how good is conversation skill is.
Pardon?
uh, Conversation skill like public speaking skill, how much important it is today.
How important public speaking is. I think public speaking is always going to be important. I mean, it's an interpersonal skill and it will help you develop yourself in a lot of professional industries, even either online or offline. Um, I think it's very important to like challenge your mind with new concepts so that you're able to speak to more than a few people. But your language sounds pretty like you sound very good at speaking. I think it's just your nerves, just my opinion. Like hearing you speak, like you sound like you could speak English. It's just the nerves that are like preventing you from talking. But it's okay. For me, I think public speaking is very important, especially in the corporate space. What about you?
Yeah, I think for public speaking we should read some book on public speaking, and I think we should deal with multiple mind, like we are just doing this on cambly. We deal with multiple mind, so I think this boost my confidence, and I am learning public speaking through this app by talking with many native speakers. I think it's a good way to learn English and public speaking to deal with multiple mind, right?
Yes, yeah, I agree with that. I completely agree. I think it's so important for us to learn about different cultures through this app.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's go to. Ooh, okay. So let's change the topic. Let's go to another topic. I think maybe we can do something a bit more like conversational. So, what about a healthy lifestyle? Let's do that. Do you think you have a healthy lifestyle?
Yeah, I think, and I think being an adult, we should take care of our body very much, because that time I see that people don't like exercising, and I don't know why people don't consider much about their health, but I think we should, and that's why I work out daily, because if I will not be fit, and our body and mind will not be fit, then we can't learn anything. So yeah, I think it's important for us.
Definitely, I agree with that. I think it's very important for healthy eating. Okay, perfect. And then, do you think it is possible to have a healthy lifestyle in the modern world?
Modern world. Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, perfect. And then next question. Why do many people try to have a healthy lifestyle? Like in your opinion, like you spoke towards how having one is good for your body, but why do people pursue having healthy lifestyles?
So I think everybody would like to be healthy,
Yeah,
because if people feel ill, then it's feel like we can't feel doing anything, and it's not good for anything. So I think we should be healthy, and we should do a lots of things for this, and we shouldn't be dull, because we always should energetic. That's when we could do anything. So I think
definitely.
everybody would like to be healthy.
Yeah, definitely. I agree with that. And when did you start being more healthy? Like when did your journey start of being more healthy?
So I would say that since childhood, I started all these things, because uh, I had cow in my house. So I used to drink milk since childhood, and I don't know why I was very fond of it. And
Yeah.
after milk, I used to play throughout the day in my village. I was just kept running and kept playing. So I can say since childhood.
That's interesting. That's very interesting. And when did you become consciously aware of your health? So you said you were healthy from being a child, but when did you start thinking about like staying healthy?
So I think when I was at standard, since then I was little bit started knowing about healthiness and about
Yeah.
our body. So that time I was started running on the road at the morning. I used to go for that, and I think my age was like I was at 16. Yeah,
Yeah.
since then I started consuming. Yeah.
That's so interesting. That's very, very interesting. And what is your favorite part about being healthy?
Favorite part?
Yeah.
Favorite part, I think I described earlier. But I think if I will fit, then we don't look older than anybody. So we always should focus on that thing that we should always uh, do little bit yoga and exercise for being fit. And if we can't do, then our belly fat and with this, I think there is a lot of various of type of disease we will have. So yeah.
Definitely, I agree with that. Thank you for sharing. I actually really liked what you were speaking to. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing this and I'm going to actually ask you 3 questions about life, if that's okay with you. I like to ask my students these questions. I'll share where it comes from at first. So the reason why I like to ask my students these questions is I have a passion for psychology and behavioralism. So it's nice to like get to know someone on that sense. The first question I have is if you could see your younger self now standing in front of you, what is one thing you would tell him?
So if a person stand in front of me, what I would like to tell him?
Wait, if
Yeah,
your
you
younger self was standing in front of you now, what would you tell him and why? So if the younger version of you was standing in front of you right now, what would you tell him and why?
my younger self.
Yeah. If you were looking at your younger self, so like a 10-year-old boy, what would you tell him and why?
I would tell him that keep doing hard work, whatever field you chose, and don't skip and always stick with your goals. Whatever you decided to do that time, and if you distract from your path, then I think you will never gonna achieve whatever you wanted to achieve in your life. And I would like to say that if you wasted your time by doing a lot of bad steps, then you should mend your ways. And I think people get distracted from a lot of things right now. So I think we should focus just on only one thing. That's the success of the way of success. I think so. I would like to say all these things.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's very, very beautiful. And okay, last question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time?
5 years ahead of my life.
Pardon?
Yeah, you can write it quickly.
Okay, there we go. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time?
So myself that a very good English speaker who can represent my village, my country, and I people for and yeah, I would like to be a very good speaker and well, 5 years ahead.
Beautiful. That's very, very beautiful. Thank you for sharing. So I've been asking you all these questions.
Yeah,
I just want to say, Brajesh, it was really lovely to meet you, and I wish you all the best for your English journey. Okay. Bye.
thanks. It was nice talking.